Hey ladies and gents, this is Adrian with May's Homestead Chronicles, and I'm excited to share this short video on how to mound or hill your potatoes for maximum growth and yield. I'm going to use pond water to water these onions just because it's a great fertilizer. And then we're going to put some of this pond water, we're going to water these potatoes as well just because it's a great fertilizer and potatoes are heavy feeders. And we're just gonna keep on going down the row, pulling that dirt back towards the potato plants, just like this. Okay. This row right here, I'm gonna be using compost, but you can use wood chips, leaves. But all you do is take your mulch and pull it up around the plants. This actually helps the plant to grow more potatoes instead of getting really leggy. So you just take it, put it around the base of the plant. You just pull the leaves back like that, push the compost or the whatever mulch you're using. Potatoes are heavy feeders, so this compost is going to be excellent for them. All right, so that's how simple it is. As the potato plant's growing, you just want to make sure that there's always, you're either using compost to build up underneath it or the surrounding soil, depending on what method fits, or what method you prefer. So like, even this potato plant here, you see how there's space here that can be covered by the surrounding soil. So I've got compost and different stuff here, and I'm gonna bring that up, around the base of that plant, just so that it's covered and it has plenty of space to grow more spuds. And I'm just gonna make sure that soil is brought up underneath the plant. Because remember, we don't want leggy potato plants. We want them to be like this, where they're nice and tidy, and you have all that space where the potatoes can grow underneath. All right, well, hey, if you enjoyed the video, as always, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subbed already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the new content I'll be putting out. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate all your support. God bless y'all. We'll see you in the next one.